How's it going, guys? I'm back with another video, and this one is on White Noise Online. It's practically a Slender game, but for the Xbox 360. I don't know if it's for the PlayStation 3, but it is Skewers, and I know it's on 360 because I'm playing it on 360. Let's get right into it. I might play on single player for now. Just want to be less scary. I think that's the classic one, like for the single player one. But I kinda want to go in something more spacious. Maybe that one. Who's am I gonna be? Who's am I gonna be? She looks fabulous. I might have her. Them graphics though. Okay. Find all the tapes. Yay. And my name's Hannah. Come on, Hannah, let's go. I don't know if this was on hard or easy. So this is nice. Why is it so loud? Or is it just these? Oh my god. Wait, can you run? I forgot how to run. Oh no! How do I turn that back on? Oh, thank god. I was literally spamming all the buttons to find out which one that was. Okay. RT and LT. Got it. Oh my god. Oh my god. Hannah, what you doing in this forest? I have not got a clue. I'd get someone else to do it, to be quite fair. Turn around. Okay, it's not that, it's not that. And just saying, instead of Slender Man who's following it, it's just big white monster. Which is nice. Oh god, I just heard an owl. Piss off, owl. I don't like your face. Oh. Oh. Something's near, something's near. Here it is. Get out of the way, please. Okay. 1 out of 8, 1 out of 8. Okay then. There's a river. I go across the bridge. Oh yeah, leave a like if you enjoy or you are enjoying this little thing. I might do it with on a different map next time if I get a good response, but quite frankly I don't want a good response because I don't want to play this again. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. What the hell? I want to find his head. Oh, Jesus, guys. I don't know if you can hear the noises, but it's not nice. That's for sure. Even my notifications look odd on this camera. It's so odd. Oh, God. Kinda don't want to stop. You might rape me. Please, please, no. Oh, hi. I'm guessing it's somewhere near here. You check in your mouth. Nope. It's back there somewhere. It's this way. Yep, yep. What the hell is it? Oh, it was in there. I don't even know. Okay, 2 out of 8. I doubt I'm actually gonna finish this, but yeah, nice. I like it a lot, like it very much, very good, very good. Oh my god. I thought it might be a bit of a change to the Skyrim videos, just a little change. To mix up the videos on the channel. Oh, we're getting closer. Wow, I'm actually kind of collecting these pretty fast. 3 out of 8. I'm surprised. I've not seen him yet. Knock wood. My god. Look at the gates. Oh my god. That's nice. Oh no, please no, please no, please no, please no. Okay, there's a man with amazing tongue. Oh my god, Miley Cyrus, what you doing in this game? God damn. Miley Cyrus, I didn't know you had nipples. Oh, actually, wait, that makes more sense. Oh, shite, oh my god, oh my god. Oh my god. That was loud. My nipples are stuck to the wall, god damn. Oh my god, I'm sweating like a pig. Oh, piss off, you. Oh my god. Leave me alone. Please. Please. Oh. No. Please, I haven't played this in ages. I think I know why. Oh no, not freaking cabin. Please. Oh fuck. Bloody hell sight. Yes. Babies. Halfway there, and my Hannah's having an aneurysm. Come on, Hannah. Using your magic wizard skill to evade detection from the white weirdo who lives in my basement. I don't have a basement. Please leave me alone. Leave me alone, please. What's with the jingle bells? It ain't Christmas yet. Oh, look at that one tree. Looks like it's got poo on it. Oh my god. Oh my god. Gonna poo myself. Please don't be that. Yes. I don't know what I just said. Oh, I'm just going in circles now. This is ridiculous. Bitch, please. All I wanna do is find the things and get it over and done with. So it's gonna get to that point where I'm just gonna have to quit because I can't find a thing. I want to turn around. I kind of want to turn around just for YOLO and swags, you know. Oh my god! Oh. Well, okay then. We're alright then. It looks even freakier on a crappy camera. It's even more static than it is on my camera. It's like, what? Cannibalism is not nice, so don't eat me. Or else I'll eat your family. Actually, that's weird. Let's not do that. Jesus Christ. And, if you really want to, leave me a comment of if there's any more 360, Xbox 360 horror games, like indie games you can get off the game store for like 69p kind of thing. Something nice and cheap, like this one. This is only 69p from the Xbox 360 store. And I'm gonna cry now. I mean, and get the online, it's a lot better because you can do it with your friends. which is a lot better because it's less scary. Oh my god! As soon as I freaking say that, it's not as scary. Oh my god! I just shit my pants. Oh my god. I walked that long. Oh my god. Where did I go? I kinda went in a straight line for most of that, didn't I? Oh my god. You don't know how much I got jumped there. Oh my god. I'm okay. I'm making a little country. Isn't that nice? Oh my god. Well, leave a like if you enjoyed. It helps out a lot. And I'll see you guys next time, okay? Bye.